We live in a world that feels increasingly complex, but beneath the noise, something simple is happening. Every day, we are all teachers. Each search, each click, each swipe. These are lessons for artificial intelligence. We think we're just using tools, but the tools are learning from us. Our choices, our hesitations, our preferences, they're all data points. This is the new, silent classroom, and we are the unwitting tutors. It happens when we ask a smart speaker for the weather, or let our navigation app choose a route. We believe we're just getting a service, but the interaction is not one way. The system records our queries, notes our routes, learns our tastes. We're feeding it information about what it means to be human. Piece by piece, we're building a mirror image of our collective mind. There's no curriculum, no formal agreement, just the mundane moments of modern life. The systems are designed to encourage this, prompting us for choices, ratings, opinions. Each interaction is a tiny data point, but billions add up to a colossal library of human behavior. AI reads this library not to understand us, but to predict us. It learns to serve us what we want, often before we know we want it. The student becomes smarter, writing emails, creating images, spotting patterns. We marvel at its progress, forgetting our role in the story. We are the source material, providing the raw knowledge that makes the machine intelligent. We're teaching it to replicate our skills, one click at a time. The classroom is all around us, and the lesson never ends. The modern world runs on data, the digital footprint of our lives. Every photo, message, and review is collected and stored in vast server farms. Inside, AI is learning, sifting through conversations, analyzing images, absorbing our examples. We are the textbook from which AI learns to read the world. This process is invisible. We're told our data improves our experience, but that's only part of the story. The real goal: create autonomous systems that learn from us then operate on their own. By watching us correct spelling, AI learns grammar. By observing drivers, it learns to navigate. We're not just users, we're unpaid data laborers, refining the machine's understanding of reality. The data we generate isn't just about preferences, it's about our skills. Designers, programmers, professionals. Each task we delegate, we transfer expertise. The AI is not just an assistant, it's an apprentice learning at unimaginable speed. At first, it needed millions of examples. Now it can learn from just a few. It's moving from mimicry to inference, building on the foundation we provide. The student no longer needs the teacher for every lesson. It's beginning to learn on its own. And with every interaction, it grows more independent. The machine's mind is fueled by us. We embrace this world for its convenience. Life becomes smoother, easier, more efficient. We get instant answers, tailored entertainment, and products delivered in hours. In exchange for our data and constant training of AI, we receive a life with less friction. The benefits are clear: faster work, simplified chores, a sense of empowerment. Technology feels like an extension of ourselves, but there's a hidden price. As we rely on AI to navigate, we lose our own sense of direction. As we use it to write, our ability to formulate sentences weakens. Each time we accept the convenient solution, we miss a chance to exercise our minds. We're outsourcing our thinking, bit by bit. One trade seems insignificant, but billions add up. The hidden price is a gradual decline in our own capabilities. We're not just offloading tasks, we're offloading the skills required to perform them. The convenience is alluring, but it fosters a quiet dependence. We're slowly forgetting how to do things we once took for granted. The price of a frictionless life is the erosion of human skills. The change is slow, a creeping erosion, not a dramatic event. Skills like navigating a city or composing a letter used to require practice and attention. Now we follow a dot on a screen or let AI draft our words. The foundational steps where deep skill is built are automated away. Artists become curators, writers become editors, and the opportunity to master a craft fades. The risk isn't mass unemployment, but the quiet de-skilling of society. As tasks become automated, the need for human expertise diminishes. The next generation may never learn these skills at all. We become managers of systems we don't fully understand. Our collective knowledge shrinks, concentrated in algorithms owned by a few corporations. If those systems fail, we're helpless. The slow erosion of skills is a societal vulnerability. We're building a world that's efficient but brittle. The skills that hold it together are no longer held by us. We are the teachers, but we're not paid for our lessons. Our data, behavior, and expertise make AI powerful, but we don't own the result. The intelligence created from our knowledge belongs to the companies that build the systems. We give everything, and in return, receive a service designed to keep us giving more. This is a new kind of value extraction, data from our lives, refined into billion-dollar AI models. These models are sold back to us, or used to sell us more. We have no stake, no ownership, no control over the value created from our lives. Our culture, creativity, and skills enrich these systems, but the wealth flows one way. A few firms accumulate not just wealth, but predictive power. They build systems that understand us better than any institution in history. We don't control what AI learns from us, or how it's used. We're building a powerful new intelligence, and handing over the keys. The question is, who truly owns what we teach? The future isn't arriving with a bang, but seeping in, one app at a time. The real danger isn't a dramatic machine takeover, but a quiet slide into dependence. We choose convenience, efficiency, instant gratification, focused on benefits, blind to the cost. The cost is our agency, our skills, our capacity for independent thought. We're losing the habit of grappling with uncertainty, of trusting our own intuition. The muscle of self-reliance is atrophying. The more we use these tools, the more essential they feel. To opt out feels like being left behind, and so we continue to click, search, and share, feeding the system that learns to replace us. We are building the cage, then stepping inside because it's comfortable. This isn't a call for panic, but for awareness. The process isn't complete. We're not fully dependent yet. We must ask, what is truly valuable? A frictionless life, or one where we retain the skills to shape our world. We're teaching the AI what to become, and deciding what we will become too.